So guys, today I will show how to make alphabet N in Rubik's Cube. Alphabet N in Rubik's Cube. So let's start. Left second layer turn clockwise. Upper second layer, upper third layer turn anti-clockwise. Down second layer and down third layer turn clockwise. Left second layer turn anti-clockwise. Upper second layer and upper third layer clockwise. Down second layer and down third layer anti-clockwise. Now left third layer turn clockwise. Upper third layer turn anti-clockwise. Left third layer turn anti-clockwise. Upper third layer turn clockwise. Right third layer turn clockwise, anti-clockwise. Down third layer turn clockwise. Right third layer turn clockwise. Down third layer turn anti-clockwise. Now last move. Right second layer turn anti-clockwise. Upper second and upper third layer turn anti-clockwise. Down second and down third layer turn clockwise. Right second layer turn clockwise. Upper second and upper third layer turn clockwise. Down second and down third layer turn anti-clockwise. So this is alphabet N in Rubik's Cube. See. If you like this video, then like, share, subscribe and comment for more interesting and wonderful videos. Goodbye. See you soon next video.